No shame, and let me make a prediction. I'll leave you here, you die. If you don't get the protection to Lyra, all of this will be forgotten. Just remember your promise. I love that little girl like a dog.
Oh.
I remember. Go on. This were anyone else, it'd be suicidal. But I'm a fine shot. Goodbye, Mrs. Scoresby.
No, l'a dit si j'écoute pas.
I like you just as you are.
What do you think you'll be?
Flea, I hope. Is it Will that's changing you?
En love.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm ready for things to change.
Nah.
I don't think anyone ever is.
You love him, my dear, and you're beginning to understand it.
After nearly crossing the stream, he gets his tail in the water.
You preferred the cave,
The
right?
task at hand is not yet completed. Come on, let's move.
Ah, Lee.
How many bullets do we have left?
About 30.
Let's make every single last one count.
Love you so much.
You know, like taking Lanchester?
It's ours or theirs.
There's a virus. I got a bullet.
Don't think about that.
What should I think about?
Think about anything. Think about bacon. Just keep shooting. Oh,
Don't make me.
older.
Last now.
This is my fault, isn't it?
No.
How do you figure?
I've always stopped you before.
Oh.
You always pushed me. There were always adventures.
Don't make me cry. It's just the arm. It's just the arm.
The cloud pine. Maybe we can call her to this world.
Serafina Piccola, I beg you. Come help us. You think that's enough?
Let's hope so.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
He's in trouble.
Who?
Lee.
He's close.
We'll be safe. Just go. We'll stay here, please.
You
Go.
won't, but you need to save Lee.
How far are we from Don't you go forever.
And still here. We held them up. We're healthy. Lyra.
Finally.
I can't.
So, you're the knife bearer.
I was told I found my father up here. Dad,
Yes.
well, it's really you. Your mother.
She's safe.
Well, she's safe. In our boat.
My son is the knife bearer.
You have a demon.
That was quick. Ah! I'm sorry.
How did you do it?
You owe me answers, Dad, not the other way around.
I couldn't get back to you. I tried everything. I got a better understanding of these strange worlds.
Will.
And you chose these people for your family.
No, I thought by helping them I could help you. I've thought about you every day. The fate of many worlds may rest on you. You must go to Lord Asriel and tell him that you have the only weapon in all the universes that can destroy the authority. I'm sorry, Mama. You must do this.
Let me go home.
Never go home. Why? The us were brought here. Do you understand? This is your duty.
Your duty was to be my father.
Well,
I'm waiting, you know,
I'm
I'm.
so sorry. You're a warrior. Well,
show you had a beautiful conversation with your dad.
I have struggled through many worlds to arrive here. My fight is not with you, but you are the last obstacle between me and my enemy. And if I must, I will raise arms. Again, I fight for freedom of knowledge. And in place of deceit, intolerance, and prejudice. I will need help from you and all those who have rebelled. Let us be united in heart, soul, and deed. You are either for me or you are against me. Answer me! Answer me!
I hate everything about this war. Are we gonna see them?
We stand with you, asking for that. Good. Then let us prepare for war.
We have a little about the beginning of book 3.
My darling life, we're out of danger. I'm taking you somewhere entirely safe.
I'm feeling sick. You know, like... Oh, I knew it! I stopped the recording of the screen. I swear I knew it. I was like, are they gonna put an hidden scene? I knew it. I have to put the record again. I just saw something, you know, by moving the thing. What did you put? What did you put? I just saw that there was something. Why I had this intuition, you know, that they were gonna... Roger.
Ira, help me. Roger. What is this place?
So good. So little, but so good. To tell us that they are connected and that we're gonna see Roger, and that's why it was so important to talk about him during all of this season. I'm still feeling sick about this episode. I knew that Lee was gonna die, but I don't know why. I thought that, you know, with the place that he took into the show and all, maybe they were not gonna kill him. Don't ask me why I thought that, but I really thought that with this actor and with what they did with Lee into this show, all of the place, you know, all of the things that they created for him, I really thought that maybe they were gonna change that and he was not gonna die. I really believed until the end, until the final seconds, that maybe they were not gonna kill him. I hate myself for that. Why did I make myself believe that? You know, I knew that he was dying into the books, but I really had hope for him staying alive here. I didn't say it in intro because I was waiting for that, you know, happening or not. But I think that in my heart, I really convinced myself that he was not gonna die. Why? Really, why? Because I love him so much. It was two beautiful goodbyes, you know. They made that so well. Lee dying like that was beautiful. And that conversation that Will's dad had with his son, that moment, and the emotion of Will, the actor, was amazing during that moment. It was beautiful goodbyes, you know. They wrote it well, they filmed it well, they played it well. Yeah, I'm feeling so sad. Because I really wanted Lee to survive. I know he couldn't because of the fact that it's not happening like that into the books, but for once I wanted them to change that. I'm really like a kid, I know. But I knew that Will's dad had to die, you know. I had no hope for that because this is also important for the story, the fact that Will's dad, he has to die. The symbolic of that is too important for him staying alive. But Lee could have stayed, you know, lived. The symbolic of his death was not so important. He was important more than that. I know. I'm crying and maybe I should not, but the last things that he said to his demon, I'm beyond sad. And they made us think, you know, that he was gonna be saved by Serafina. They kept my hope alive for that. I know it was made on purpose, but it was made on purpose for the fans who didn't read the books. I shouldn't have jumped on that, you know. I hate myself. And I hate them, you know, for making me up even more. I'm really like a kid right now. I know I don't care. I loved a lot of things during this episode and it was a good one. It's not because of the fact that I have this face at the end that I don't find this episode really great, really well done. The story, what they did with it, that's so good. To have Azriel like that at the end, that's so good also. All of these parallels, you know, between the characters at the end, showing where they are, showing, you know, where all of the characters are gonna go, you know, what they're gonna do, what we can expect, you know, for season 3, for the book number 3, by showing a little of the beginning of it. That's great. That's really great. That hidden scene at the end was really great. I hope that you saw it. You discovered it with me, if it's not the case. No, the episode was great. I cried a lot. I had my first tears when Pan and Will had this conversation. Of course I was not gonna survive to this episode. Lyra, you know, saying that she's feeling that she's changing. She knows, she's beginning to know that she loves Will. That's so sweet, and that was so well done, you know, that moment, this discussion with Pan. The relationships between humans and demons were really, you know, showed on screen during this episode with Pan and Lyra, but also with Lee and his demon. I'm not gonna talk about it, but still, with also Mrs. Coulter and her demon. She was hesitating to give him to Spectres. I mean, she was not hesitating. She knows that she needs him. But see, she needs him, you know, to stay alive, for her to stay conscious and all. But she doesn't want to have him. She doesn't want to have a conscious, you know, she doesn't want to have a second opinion than hers, which is her conscious, you know, in fact. And when she was like that with him saying, we have to save Lyra, you know, why are you afraid of me, trying to convince him, you know, to reassure him, it was really her convincing her unconscious, you know, herself that what she's doing is right and for what reasons she's doing it. She's convincing herself of what she's doing. I mean, that's so well done. So well written, symbolic and stuff. Oh, so well. I'm sad for all of the witches, Serafina included. You know, she didn't die, but she found Lee like that. We saw a little of Yorick. That's nice. It's a nice reminder, you know, that he's an important character and that we're gonna see him again, maybe. And that he's impacted, you know, even in his world and his little world, you know what I meant by that, you know, his kingdom is impacted. That was a really well done episode, but some bad stuff happened. I'm not, you know, when stuff like that are happening into shows, at the end I'm feeling exhausted because my emotions were too high and I'm really exhausted. Right now I'm not feeling exhausted, I'm feeling sick. And I really know that it's because of the fact that I wanted Lee to survive. I really thought that they could do it. I didn't say it, you know, I didn't warn you the fact that I had hope for that because After, you know, what I said about the season 1, I was so angry and so against the fact that they showed Will so quick. And I said that I was mad about it because it was not into the books and all. So if I would have said to you, I want them to change something which is so big into the books, like someone dying, I want them to keep that person alive. If I would have said that to you, you would have judged me so much, so that's why I didn't warn you about it. But I have to tell it to you into the review, you know, to not hide it anymore, because it can explain also why I reacted like that. I didn't edit it yet, you know, I just filmed it, but I think that maybe some of you were confused by it. I have to be honest with you, with myself. But we're gonna see him again. We know that we're gonna see that actor again, even if he's not alive anymore. I'm almost, you know, grieving. The pain and what I'm feeling right now, it's almost like I'm grieving and mourning the death of Lee now. Again! I'm gonna stop this review right now because I have the impression that I can't say anything clever or interesting right now because I'm too much into that pain, you know, into that mood. I'm sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that, but you've got all of my thoughts about this episode during it and during all of this season. This season 2 was so great. Really better than the season 1, which was already so great, but this season 2 is exploding, you know, all of that. The cast is brilliant, but also all of what they did, all of what they created, the writers, discussions, but also entire scenes, that was fucking amazing. You know, that fight with Lyra and Mrs. Coulter, that was fucking great. Even that discussion, you know, that Will had with his father, everything was so great, so well done. They thought about it and they made it to work with the books, with this universe, these rules. Mary and Mrs. Coulter, you know what Mrs. Coulter thought about that moment, how she is treating her demon. Even if I hate a lot of things, I can just think that this is so brilliant and well done. I almost want to thank them, you know, the writers, for this season, because I can't find anything wrong to say about it. Like, I can't blame them because they didn't change the fact that Lee is dying. Come on. I can't blame them for that. I just can blame myself for that. For believing that it would happen. Season 2, really great, wonderful. Tell me, what did you think about that final episode, but also the entire season? So this is all for Is Dark Materials for this season 2. If you want, you know, to stay with me a little, you can check the playlist that I'm making for each shows that I'm reacting to on my channel. Maybe we are watching the same, you know, maybe you can be interested to stay with me for some of them. If it's not the case, I will see you for season 3. How many times do we have to wait to have season 3 because of all of the COVID situation and all? We're gonna have to wait longer? How? Tell me, if you know when it's gonna be out, you know, the season 3? I'm interested by that also. You know that I'm not searching for stuff, you know, about shows to avoid spoilers and all, so tell me that. Okay, so this is all for Is Dark Materials. See, I'm still not okay. That's gonna be a weird day. After me being like that, you know, during 2 hours, yep, that's gonna be a weird day. I'm gonna need time to change my mood, the one that I have right now. It's all for Is Dark Material for today, for you, for me, for this season 2. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.